In this video, we're going to create an automation from start to finish. By doing this, you'll become more confident with creating automations in your store because you'll understand the entire process. Here in FunnelKit Automations and Automations, if I click on Create Automation, you'll see a list of pre-built automations that you can one-click import into your store. In FunnelKit Automations, we refer to these as recipes. If I click on the Abandoned Cart Reminder Pro recipe, we can see a preview of this automation. And this automation has quite a few of the key components that you need to know to be able to create powerful automations for your store. Inside of this automation, we have delay steps. We also have actions where we send emails to the user. And then finally, down here, we have a condition step where we check the value of the cart. And if it's less than a particular amount, they exit the automation. But if it's over a certain amount, we then have an action where we create a dynamic coupon code, and then we email that dynamic coupon code to the user, and then they end the automation. So I think this is a really good automation for us to reverse engineer and rebuild from the ground up. Let's go ahead and recreate this automation from scratch. Here under FunnelKit Automations and Automations, I'll click Create Automation, and then click Start from Scratch. I'll name the automation and click Create. I'll select an event that triggers the automation, and then down here under WooCommerce, I'll select Cart Abandoned, and then click Done. The next setting is to choose whether or not we want this automation to run more than one time on a contact. And in this example, we do, because a contact could abandon their cart multiple times. We also want to enable this second option here where we allow currently active contacts in this automation to re-enter again. We enable this option here because this automation will send a series of emails over 3 days after somebody abandons their cart. And the contact could make changes to their cart, add or remove items, and every time they adjust their cart and then go to the checkout page and abandon their cart, we want them to come back into this automation and re-enter again with their new abandoned cart items, so that when we send emails to them that list the items that they've abandoned in their cart, it has the latest items in their latest abandoned cart. So here I'll go and click Save. Next, I'll click the plus sign and then add a delay. And we'll set this to 30 minutes and click Save. Watch the full video by clicking the link below. If you're not already using the powerful features of FunnelKit Automations, then definitely reach out to our pre-sales team or head on over to our pricing page to see our current deals.